Welcome to Activity 12. In this activity, we will be developing the concept of related addition and subtraction equations that have been rearranged using the part-part-whole relationship. And we're going to be doing this for two-part bonds of 5. The first thing you need to do is build a wall of 5. You need one of each block from 1 to 5. You'll place the whole of 5 at the top, 1 and 4 that can be rearranged to make 4 and 1, and 2 and 3 that can be rearranged to make 3 and 2. To build the equations, the first thing we're going to do is fill in the part-part-whole diagrams. For the purpose of the video explanation, I'm going to use an additional 5 that will represent the whole. And then these blocks will represent the parts. I'm going to begin with this row. And I'm going to record that on the diagram here, that the whole of 5 is equal to the parts of 2 and 3 bonded together. Next row, the whole of 5 is equal to the parts of 1 and 4 bonded together. And finally, the whole of 5 is equal to the parts of 0 and 5 bonded together. Now we're going to write the addition equations. When we add, we say part add part equals whole. 2 add 3 equals 5. I can rearrange my parts using the commutative property of addition to say 3 add 2 equals 5. When we come to subtraction, we need to remember that we start with the whole, we subtract a part, and this results in or equals a part. So the whole of 5, subtract a part of 3, equals a part of 2. And again, we start with the whole of 5, subtract the part of 2 equals the part of 3.